When you have a form in your website, you don't want just to collect information. You need to build your email list, nurturing leads, and driving campaigns. That's what happens when Fluent Forms meets GetResponse. So let's make it happen. Start by going to the Integrations tab. Just search for GetResponse and toggle it on. Now, navigate to Global Settings. Here you will need to provide your GetResponse API key. To get your API key, log in into your GetResponse account. Click on the tools icon in the top left corner and navigate to Integrations and API. Under the API section, click on Generate API Key. Give it a name and generate. Copy it. Think of this key as a bridge. It lets Fluent Forms and GetResponse communicate seamlessly. Head back to Fluent Forms. Go to Settings, then Configure Integrations. Find the GetResponse section and paste the API key you just copied. Click Save. And boom, your tools are now connected. Now you can set it up in any existing form. You can also create a new form to set this up. Just go to All Forms and click Add New. Choose from a variety of templates or create a blank form. Add fields like name, email, and any other details you need and hit Save. Keep it clean and straightforward. Your audience will thank you. Now the fun part. Navigate to the Settings tab, go to Integrations and click Add New Feed. Select GetResponse from the list. Here's where you map your form fields to GetResponse contact fields. For example, map the name field in your form to the name field in GetResponse. Do the same for email and any other relevant fields. This step ensures the data flows exactly where you need it. Finally, toggle the feed on. Test it by submitting the form. Check your GetResponse account to confirm the data is coming through. If it is, you are ready to roll. And just like that, your form has transformed. It's no longer just a static tool, it's a dynamic part of your marketing strategy. Fluent Forms and GetResponse, working together to turn leads into opportunities.